Caring for a cat requires attention, understanding, and commitment. To ensure the best possible care for your feline friend, it's essential to avoid these common mistakes. Number 1. Inadequate nutrition. Providing your cat with improper or insufficient nutrition is a significant mistake. Cats are obligate carnivores, which means they require a diet rich in animal-based proteins. Feeding them dog food or a diet lacking essential nutrients can lead to health issues in the long run. Always consult with a veterinarian to determine the right diet for your cat's age, breed, and health condition. Number 2. Neglecting regular veterinary checkups. Cats need regular health checkups, even if they appear healthy. Avoiding vet visits can lead to undetected health problems or missed vaccination updates. Regular checkups are crucial for preventing and managing potential health issues. Number 3. Ignoring dental care. Dental hygiene is often overlooked, but is crucial for a cat's overall health. Dental problems, such as gum disease and tooth decay, can lead to pain and discomfort, affecting their eating habits and general well-being. Regular brushing, dental treats, and appropriate toys can help maintain good oral hygiene. Number 4. Lack of environmental enrichment. Cats need mental and physical stimulation to thrive. Failing to provide sufficient environmental enrichment can lead to boredom and behavior problems. Make sure to offer toys, scratching posts, climbing structures, and interactive play to keep your cat engaged and entertained. Number 5. Improper litter box maintenance. A clean litter box is essential for your cat's health and well-being. Neglecting to clean the litter box regularly can lead to litter aversion or inappropriate elimination. Scoop the litter box at least once a day and change the litter entirely at least once a week. Ensure you have enough litter boxes for the number of cats in your household, following the rule of 1 box per cat plus 1 extra. Remember, cats are unique individuals and their needs can vary. Paying attention to your cat's behavior and body language will help you identify any potential problems and ensure they live a happy and healthy life.